Hmm. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Evin Miftalia Zulfa. Uh, Now I'm going to talk about avoiding plagiarism using Mendeley and education Hegel education setting. The first it is article from Saziran, Alicia Rahmasari and friend from Yogyakarta State University. And the article, the title, it is the use of Mendeley application to avoid plagiarism, a case study in Indonesian tertiary education. The article discuss about the first motives for plagiarism student of English Education Department Yogyakarta University, and the second role of Mendeley, and the third concrete action to avoid plagiarism. The lack of the research has limited subject. It is student of English Education Department. And the second, it is article from Hendrikus Jadiring Wahyu Argo and friend from Indonesian Defense University Indonesia. And the title is Plagiarism of Graduate Education in Indonesia, a Threat to Academic Quality and Reputation. The article discuss about factor contributing to plagiarism among graduate students, including individual motivation, lack of understanding about proper citation, and external research as Lenin's institutional policy and limited supervision. The article has not explained about concrete action to avoid plagiarism. The third, it is article from Safrul Malik and friend from Alaniri State Islamic University of Banda Aceh. The title it is F Student Perception on Plagiarism in Higher Education, Triggering Factors and Avoiding Strategies. The article discuss about three strategies that students implemented to avoid plagiarism, paraphrasing and quoting others' idea, understanding the meaning of plagiarism, and using lecture particular method and online plagiarism detection software. Furthermore, the research found that the factor influencing students to plagiarism were related to time limitation on an assignment and poor time management. Is of using online source, lack of understanding to plagiarism, and poor understanding of plagiarism act. The lack of article, it is just a plain reactive of plagiarism and punishment than preventive program to avoid plagiarism. And the last, it is article from Andi Antopata and friend from Makassar State University. The title is about exploring Mendeley-based thesis supervision model to avoid plagiarism. My discuss of article, it is explored Mendeley-based thesis supervision model to avoid plagiarism. The focus of this research selecting the topic and deciding the thesis title. Uh, it is browsing and managing reference, validating reference, and matching idea between in student arguments and citing other author statement. The lack of article Mendeley based thesis supervision model to avoid plagiarism has not yet been tested from its effectiveness on students. The fee, it is the last. It is article from Rahmawansah Sahib and friend from Falakul Muluk State Islamic Institute of Papua. The title is Perception of College Students in Papua Province in on Plagiarism. Mine discuss about exploring Papuan student perception on plagiarism. It is the first, the students view plagiarism as an act of copyright infringement. Plagiarism, it is a crucial action. Plagiarism is, it is the act of copy paste. Plagiarism, it is act that causes writing difficulty in development their writing potential, and plagiarism, it is an of theft. The second, the plagiarism occurs when the student doing that assignment, they have lack understanding about the assignment instruction. Sometimes reference sources are difficult to access and the student preset by deadline for submission. And the third, the student avoid plagiarism through paraphrase, then cite of sorts and use software like Mendeley and plagiarism checker. And the last, the lack of article, it is further investigation, it is necessary to examine to relative contribution of Papua student perception on plagiarism practice. Uh, from of all, can be concluded that the research gap among them. The first, most of research only discuss about perception and causal factor avoid plagiarism. And second, the research just descriptive how to use Mendeley application to avoid plagiarism. It is not experimental effectiveness of application to avoid plagiarism. And last, almost of research focus on graduate or undergraduate English student. Okay, everyone, thank you for your attention. I apologize for any mistake in my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.